Alright guys, welcome to the video. Anthony here, Special Analysis. Hope everyone's doing well. Going to kind of recap the morning here. Some are going to go, why'd you take so many trades? And I'm going to explain that because it's not normal for me to enter the market as frequently as I probably did today. The answer to that's going to be kind of simple. Particularly here. Alright, so I had a really great short early this morning into this trend line, ran the stop pretty tight, felt pretty confident that we may still continue to push, came back up, got stopped out, and then this candle here at 750 provided some evidence to believe that we could potentially push lower. That's why I re-entered this trade here. Okay, then we fell into this consolidative state into the opening bell. As the opening bell broke down through the VWAPs, I got short, took some profit along the way. I believe I have a video, I think I recorded this trade where I got stopped out, and then this trade here as well. Market pushed back up, added to the position here, took some more profit. You can see we got stuck. Market pushed back up, came back down one more time. Tried to take a little bit more profit here, tightened my stop, got knocked out. Okay, so I'm done for the day. It's Monday, had enough, right? It's 11:45. I'm gonna go take a walk, do some reading, take care of some things I have to do. Did I get what I was looking for today? Truthfully, I was looking for 81.45, which I was just a little bit short of. 2 ticks to be precise. So no, I did not fill all of my trades, at least all the targets that I was very specifically looking for. Now, you guys know I'm trading crude oil exclusively because I am trading a larger account size and monitoring quite a few different components, but we did have some really great setups here for the Nasdaq and the S&P, and I'm going to show them to you so you can just get kind of some insight here to what it looked like. So right here, as the opening range formed, we retested this high. I told my traders, I said, hey, listen, we should take a push into 720 from here. All right, so we're checking all the boxes. That was the ideal spot to start the start the profit taking process there at 720. So 20,720, 221 ticks. We went on to run a little over 500 ticks on the Nasdaq from the time I had prompted them to say, hey, there's a good chance we could push higher. All right, you can see we're giving that back at the moment. I don't really care about that. It's irrelevant at this point. The fact was they had a chance to pay themselves, protect themselves, and continue to pay themselves as the market continued higher, okay? I always tell them as soon as the short-term trend starts to break down, just recognize that you are kind of running the risk of the trade coming to an end. Now, the S&P also did the same here. Break of the opening range, okay? Ran up here to this pivot, 38 ticks, the next pivot 52, and ran to a high of just about 80 ticks. So again, sit right here. Hey guys, final thoughts would be we're going to keep running to the upside until proven otherwise. And last but not least, gold here as well. Okay, broke above a prior high, broke back above a trend line I had drawn this morning. Multiple time frame momentum. Here's stacked pivots. Okay, so we talked about it here at this prior high. That's 40, I don't know, call it 44 ticks roughly. And we have run up here to 147 ticks and made a high of, I don't know, 165, 166 ticks. So overall, I would call it a pretty good morning. I think we read the market well. Had to be a little patient. Had some 830 numbers, not crazy. But the indices in gold were quite successful as far as trending markets were concerned. As far as crude was concerned here, it was really kind of playing reversals or short-term continuations. it was, it was what it was. Just gotta live with it. You can see here, we have some higher time frame resistance above, some below. Those of you who missed my video last night, I had shown how to plot these pivots on here. So, every morning I give my clients all these levels and say, hey, you can do what you want with them, but for me personally, I'm looking for the way price reacts around them. You can see, we tested here, we consolidated, we broke. This is where I got short. Took this. This was probably the best trade of the day, right out of the gate from the opening bell at 9:30. Right, you see, we consolidated here, we got stuck, and then really took that beautiful, beautiful push here to the downside. That was probably the best trade I took. The rest of them, some profit taking, stopped out, whatever. I don't care. At the end of the day, if my day is profitable, great. My week is great. My month, great. My quarter, my half, my year. That's all I care about. It's a big picture run here. It doesn't matter to me what transpires today, in all honesty. It's because it's just cumulative, right? It's over time, over time, over time, over time. Can I be a better trader tomorrow than I was today or yesterday? What can I do to become the person I need to be to become a better trader tomorrow than I was today or yesterday? So those are the things that I work on when I'm done trading, because if I don't work on myself, how am I able to, one, become better for myself, and two, become better for my clients? And the only way for me to do that ultimately is to really, okay, I've traded for the morning, I've made the decisions I'm going to make, it's short of noontime, I'm going to prepare myself some lunch, I'm going to go for a walk, and I'm going to run through the things that I now need to do for myself so that I can be a better trader the next day, right? And this is something a lot of people lack doing, right? It was something I didn't do for a long time, and I felt like I paid the price for that. I felt like I could have been a better trader sooner in my career had I realized that this is not just a business of understanding technical analysis, right? This is a business of understanding yourself, your emotions, the way you react to things, the way you can stay calm, or how emotional you become. Can you be patient? Can you be disciplined? It comes down to so many things, right? And as you grow as a person, you grow as a trader. And I genuinely think people that have become successful at trading have grown into themselves in a way that most people never will. Why? Because trading is not easy, right? There's no secret there. The technical part is certainly much easier than the emotional balanced part. That part is hard. And that's why I think it's so important that every day if I spend 3 or 4 hours trading, I need to spend 3 or 4 hours working on me as well, right? And when I tell people, hey, listen, it's your outcome as a trader, just like anything else you do in life, it's a 10,000 hour investment to become the person you need to be in order to do this job to the highest level you can. And I count those hours of personal development, working on myself, just as important as the amount of time that I spend in front of the computer, because I know that the more I work on myself to become the person I need to be the best trader I can be, that is just as influential and just as valuable as it is sitting in front of the computer staring at the chart. So I leave you with that message today. I think it's an important one. I think it's something that I'm done trading for the day, I'm going to just forget about it. Whereas I think when you're done trading for the day, it's now, okay, I'm going to shift from I'm not in front of the charts, but now I am in front of the mirror, right? And I need to now make decisions that make me a better trader tomorrow, the next day, next week, month, year, half, quarter, whatever. So just some food for thought. I think that personal development component is just as important. I think too many people overlook it because they're just too excited to make money. For me, it's not about the money. I don't care about the money. For me, it's about how do I grow as a person? because I know as I grow as a person and I grow in experience as a trader, that over time profitability will come. It's no different than any other industry, right? Like if you grow as a person and you grow as a doctor, you're gonna help and serve more people. The money is going to follow it, right? Trading's really no different. So those are just some kind of final thoughts as we kick off this week. If you missed the video of me setting up my chart for the levels and stuff, that's on my YouTube page or in one of the prior blogs. I did that just so some people have an idea of like, hey, you know, when are you starting to now look at the market in a way of saying, all right, I need to now make a decision? Well, I want to make a decision based around what the higher time frame tells me, right? So I provide these levels to my clients. They can populate them on their chart if they desire or whatever, so that they can say, hey, listen, we may be in an area where if the market's trending, we should be taking profit. If the market's not trending, this may be a high probable reversal area. So that's kind of important too. Again, it becomes a technical, personal, emotional growth that it requires to become a great trader. So I appreciate you guys for being here. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you like it. If you would like to see more content, please subscribe to the channel. If I can help you in any way, I'll leave my email address below. And if you'd like to trade live with me tomorrow morning and every morning for that matter, there's going to be a link there as well. And in addition to just the live trading or the live analysis, I also provide all the content for across the broad market, stocks, futures, forex, cryptocurrencies, things of that nature. So whether you're day trading, swing trading, position trading, whatever it may be, I'm providing content to serve all those aspects. But as many of you know, I am very market focused on crude oil, as that's where I am taking my larger trades. So I'll see you tomorrow. God bless. Have a wonderful day.